Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trailboss. There we go. This one, of course, has the leather. Still has the plastic on all these components. I got a hate comment the other day saying, don't take the plastic off. We're actually supposed to. But a lot of the PDI people don't do it. But you're supposed to take all this plastic off when we get the trucks in. So there we go. What's the color name on this one? Summit White? Yeah, Summit White over Jet Black. Total price of $57,315. Convenience package 2. Power sunroof safety package, leather package, bed protection package, and advanced trailering package. So of course this one has the slowly lowering bed. It doesn't just fall right down. You can use the side step to step your way on up. And then you got the square mufflers out back. Big off-road tires. Oh. You're inside. No running boards because that would limit breakover angle. You really don't need running boards in the grand scheme of things. It's pretty easy to hoist yourself up. Let's go for a drive. This one is fitted with the 5.3 liter V8 as well as the 10-speed automatic, which honestly is the best pairing for the Trailboss. No, I mean, the Trailboss, it's sort of a Raptor in a way. It's not as powerful as the Raptor. It's down probably about 100 or so horsepower, maybe even more. But it's not claiming to be a Raptor, and it's also about $20,000 less expensive than a Raptor. However, where it beats the Raptor is this has an actual V8 in it, not a twin-turbo 6-cylinder. So in that aspect, it's got the Raptor beat in the sound department. You'll hear the off-road tires. That's just the way of life with those big off-road tires. But I mean, you can change out the tires for some all seasons or whatnot and be completely fine. And honestly, when you have the radio going, you can't even hear it. It doesn't shake the steering wheel like a lot of them used to. Can't complain. Well, no, you can complain, but you have no reason to. One plus side of the big off-road tires is they're actually a pretty soft compound of tire, which gives you a lot of grip in terms of handling. It does wallow a little bit. It's a big truck. You're not gonna magically get rid of the weight. But turning, acceleration, it has tons of grip. Even in two-wheel drive, as I floor it, taking a turn, it won't spin up the rear wheels. It's pretty impressive. And I must say, the white on black, oh, it's beautiful. Maybe the only other spec that I would have over this is like a dark red on black, which we have one of those coming in. Because this is an off-road vehicle, I'll go ahead, park it up here. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.